We are camping here at this view, and we are absolutely alone. And what we got in that cooler?
Colorado craft gear.
Crap, man. We're over here at Canyonlands National Park. We are at the Murphey Point Trailhead. We have a 1.6 mile hike in. We're gonna go hang out, drink some beer tonight. So here we go.
So why is it called Island in the Sky?
Feels like it's an island in the sky. So we're at the Y in the trail. To the left is going to be the Murphy Trail to the White Rim Road. To the right is where we're going, and that's going to be the Murphey Point Overlook.
You realize it looks like a hobo camper. I got stuff strapped to my backpack. I got a cooler full of beer.
That's the best type of camping, man. Sun is getting down low, but it is putting up a beautiful glow. It's treacherous hike, isn't it?
Man, this is perfect.
All right, so when you get to this turnaround area, look to the left, and this trail will actually take you down to the actual point. The trail just kind of broadens out. You can see the little rock cairns. Show that you're going the right way. All right, so coming up on one of the first overlooks on our right. Beautiful. Almost to the point. So yeah, we are camping here with this view, and we are absolutely alone. We were the only cars at the trailhead. This is perfect. And what we got in that cooler?
Ice cold Colorado craft gear.
This is great. Tent set up. All right, Brett, what'd you get us? What'd you bring us?
Pine View Double IPA from Mighty River Brewing Company in Windsor, Colorado.
All right.
It is floral and fruity ×2.
Not too fruity though. All right, cheers, buddy.
Cheers.
Look at that view. All right, so the sun is starting to come up. Time for a little bit of hot coffee. This is the first morning on this trip I'm gonna have hot coffee. Haven't had any fuel up until today. Got to pack up from here. We're gonna pack up camp, hike back to the trailhead, and we're gonna drive over to Moab and go to Arches National Park. Tomorrow we'll be in the Needles district. That is right that way. All right, just made up the big hill. Back it on back. All right, made it back. Okay, seriously, of the 10 years I've been backpacking, it's one of my favorite campsites. That place is immaculate. It's empty, it's beautiful. That place is awesome. Murphey Point. Check it out. Hope you enjoyed it. Let's hit the road. We're gonna head to Arches now. We'll see you. Done, son. And do it. And I'm rambling. Woo. Look at that. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, blah, blah, blah. We'll see you.